Now you must be thinking, whatever we do with the pen tool doesn't show up in layers. Why? Because after all, it's a path, so it doesn't show up in layers. Instead, it shows up on the path tab. Alright, so this case, this one that we draw here wasn't here. So let me draw this one for you to see. So let me draw this, and you can't find it under the layers, but when you go to the path tab, you are going to see work path. Create a new layer, click on the plus, and then let's create another one, and then boom, you are going to see different one. And then let me make another one for you to see, and we have another work path. So if you want to review the other one, just click on it and it is going to review. So some people will say, where is that path? Just go to the path tab, and boom, when you click on the path, it is going to reveal itself, and later you can convert it into shape, you can fill it, whatever that you want to do with it, you can do with it. Sometimes you must be thinking, where did that path go? It's not lost, it's available at the path tab. So if you want to access it, you just have to toggle between the layers tab and the path tab, and you are going to see, because sometimes when you are using the path and then you click on the control and click on outside, you might not be seeing the path and you must be thinking it is lost. It is not lost. If you want to access it, just toggle between the layers and the path tab. Under the path tab, you are going to see all the paths that you have made. So when you click on this path, it's going to show. When you click on that one, it is going to show itself. Okay, so now let's try this example. Let me draw this path and let me close this one. And if you want to break it, hold down the control key, and we can hold down the alt key and break this one. All right, this is a very funky drawing. All right, and if you want to fill this one, you can choose from here, select shape, it will fill it for you, or you can go to FX solid color and you click it, and that one too will fill it for you. So this is a way you can fill your path to become a shape. So like this, what is the difference between path and shape? A shape is a path with fill. Alright, so path, there is nothing in it, but the shape, we have a fill or we have a color in it. So that is the difference. Alright, but the interesting part is you will still see the path after you have filled it with a color. Okay, so when you go to the path tab, you are going to see color filled with shape path, and you will still have the work path. Okay, so let me turn off the color fill, and still you are going to see the work path over there. Alright, so with this one, we can also do it in other way around. So when you select the pen tool, at the top here, make sure you have shape selected instead of path. And see the difference here, we have shape and path, and the pixels is grayed out because the pen tool doesn't deal with pixels. So you can select shape straight away, and when you start, it automatically start to fill it. Okay, so it is either you select path, then you make your path, you click on solid color and fill it, or instead you can go straight and select shape over here, and when you draw to make your path, it is going to turn into a shape.